How to fix TikTok app not opening. Welcome to How to Mastery. If TikTok is not opening on your phone, don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Second, close TikTok completely and restart the app. On Android, swipe it away from recent apps. On iPhone, swipe it up from the app switcher. Third, restart your phone. A simple reboot often clears temporary glitches that stop apps from opening. Fourth, clear TikTok's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, open TikTok, go to Profile, Settings, and Clear Cache from inside the app. Fifth, make sure TikTok is updated. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for TikTok, and install the latest version. Outdated apps can crash or refuse to open. Sixth, check your device's storage. If your phone storage is full, TikTok may not run properly. Free up some space by deleting unused apps, videos, or files. Seventh, update your phone's operating system. Sometimes app issues are fixed only when your device is running the latest iOS or Android version. As a final step, if nothing works, check TikTok's official Twitter or website to see if the servers are down. Sometimes the problem is not your device, but TikTok itself. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix TikTok not opening on your phone. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more quick fixes and tutorials.